What if I told you? I typed just one sentence, and this AI created a full video for me. No camera, no editing, nothing. If this works the way you think it does, this changes everything. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. And if you're into AI tools like this, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to Daily Tech Hacks, and turn on the notification bell, because this is just the beginning. First, you only need one simple idea. It can be anything, a tutorial, a story, or a topic you want to explain. For example, you can type something like, how to make money online. And that's enough to get started. Next, you use a tool like Pictory AI. This platform takes your text and turns it into a full video automatically, including visuals, scenes, and captions. Once you paste your text, the AI starts working. It selects video clips, adds subtitles, and builds your entire video for you in seconds. And just like that, you now have a complete video ready to post. No filming, no stress, no complicated editing. Imagine how much time this can save you. If you want to make it even better, you can edit your video using CapCut. Add captions, effects, and music to make your video more engaging and professional. Here's the real secret: consistency. If you post videos like this regularly, you can grow faster than you think. And if you've learned something new already, drop a comment below. I'd like to know what you think about this AI. So now you've seen how one sentence can turn into a full video using AI. Would you try this? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe to Daily Tech Hacks, and turn on the notification bell, because I'll be sharing more powerful AI tools that can completely change how you create content.